Hello boys and girls, I'm back with another video, a math video. So today I'm going to teach you about adding decimals, and you're going to be working on pages 405 and 406. And with adding decimals, it's really easy. It's like adding whole numbers. But one thing that's cool, if you use Google Maps, it actually can track down how many miles you've walked. And I've kept a log of my walking so that I can get some exercise. So I'm going to use this log, and I'm going to add up the total miles that I've walked for the last week. In page 405, you're going to do the same thing with Derek's running log. And on page 406, you're going to do the same for, for Lucy's log. So how do you keep track and add the mileage? Well, very simple. Two ways you can do it. Since I have a lot of numbers here, I can organize them in sets, or I can line them up as in one tally. So I'll show you two strategies. Now, if there's 0 miles here, you can just eliminate those. We don't have to bother adding zeros in. So if I make a list, I want to make sure that I line my numbers up by place. So this is the ones place. Here's your decimal, and these are the tenths. So just like you would add whole numbers, you can add decimal numbers the same way. And you want to make sure that everything is lined up. So you can do it this way. And if I add it this way, I would just add the way I normally do. So 3 and 3 would be 6. 6 plus 8 would be 14. 14 plus 5 would be 19. And 19 plus 3 would be 22. So the 2 would go here. The decimal point would come down. And since it was 22, I have to carry the 2 above the ones place. And then I add like I always do. So 2 and 4 make 6. 6 and 4 make 10. 10 and 3 make 13, 14, 15. So for the last week, I've walked 15.2 miles. And that's how you add decimals. Another way you can do it, you can add 2 numbers at a time. So if I add 4.3 and 4.0, that's 8.3. And then what I can do is I can just keep adding and checking off as I do it. So now I add 8.3 and 3.3, that's 6, and that's 11.6. And then I'll check off now this one, add 1.8. And I'll get 14, carry the 1, that's 3, 13.4. Now I'll add 1.5. So this might be a little easier for you if you want to just add in parts. That's 14.9, then add 0.3, and you'll get the same answer as I got before, 15.2 miles. So both ways are acceptable. So try that out on pages 405 and page 406. Okay, good luck.